Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So guys, guess what I do? I don't know, mommy. Come on, me call to mommy not answer me. So me come park in the back room. Tell me why me come to Joel asleep. Joel savage. Joel talk to one girl on the phone and drop asleep on the call and mute the call. So me just go into the room and I hear somebody. I say, Joel asleep and girl mute. And girl liar, girl up on video call same way. But Joel, so what movie done your cuss say?
And this is no cuss, and then no cuss with me and no.
Guys, she not talk to me. Anyways, make a bed. Make a bed. We want bed. My bed before me go up. So when time I go up, I can just continue the video. I want to wash my hair. What if I should have just not bed down here and go bed and wash my hair, or wash my bed down here and just go wash my hair? I don't know, but I probably go bed right now. What you eat for dinner? You not eat no dinner yet?
Later.
You not eat yet? What you wait on?
Wait. And this is the same cook rice and fish.
Rice and fish? Guys, so now go hear this now. Good night. Mommy!
And this week, I have to come to you. Hello.
Mommy!
Do you have flu? Yeah, you can see the little one here, see the point we have flu. And when you have flu, you can see the feet
I
pan.
can get some of your honey.
You think a tea?
I can get some of your honey. So that means you don't want to hear what my have to show you then. You don't want to see what my have to show you.
Oh, yes.
Chica.
Oh, so that you went only there?
The honey in there.
Mommy, come here. I have something to tell you. She not talking. She not really not talking. Mommy, I have something to tell you. Mommy, seriously, I have something to tell you. Mommy, I have something. We can get some of my food for you. Mommy, we can get some of my food for you.
Sorry.
Mommy, I love you. I love you. I love you. Sorry. So, mommy, you not gonna chat to me? That means you don't want what me care for you then. You don't want what me care for you? Jola, what that, honey? Where you get it from?
That come here all right.
Mommy. How much one of fish you gonna give me? So me not get one of fish. I want enough gravy for mine.
Yes, I want you.
You ready for your dinner?
Oh, that is the best of it.
You want some syrup?
Cherry, but no, I want to.
You ready for your dinner, Joel?
Yeah. So mommy, you not talk to me? Mommy, you can't do me so.
Ready for your food, Joel?
And then you don't talk to you.
I know that she don't talk to me. Food look nice.
Angela says, in my neck of the woods, sanitize.
Whoa. I mind this. Alright guys, so I make a bed and wash my hair right now. I make up my man for just wash my hair and done down here. I gonna use this to wash my hair. I say mommy with the shampoo and conditioner here. I never yet use it. Guys, the light in mommy bathroom not so bright, but this is it. Just detangle. It a group really nice. Me not lie. Miss Una Bina asked me for let me see if I can brighten it. Look a bit better. Hold on. But yeah, just stay with me. But Miss Una Bina asked me for like hair routine and stuff like that. But guys, really and truly, as me say, me use the softy shampoo, and when the softy run out, Me use some of JC Tresemme because JC use Tresemme, the one in the black bottle. So that's what I really use. And castor oil. Me use castor oil majority of the time. I have other hair oil what me use. Like, I can't remember the name, but just hair oil. Me use other hair oil, but mostly castor oil. So that's what I use. Plus, you know me do the little style them where help my ear for grow, like the twist out, the plait. Well, we really start the plait. When mommy come my ear, mommy plait it because she said the plait serve longer. But I realize that them stuff that really grow my ear. Plus, the braid help for grow my ear. Like my face, wash it. Nighttime I rub on my coconut oil, and every night I remember either. I try to answer some questions I must want to ask in regards to my hair. Somebody asked how me get it for be curly. Guys, water, hair oil, and eco styling gel, and then you know me just go so with my finger and have it curl up. And somebody asked me say how me get my plait to be so straight. Guys, when my mother plait my hair, me go insert one picture in not always straight. Like when mommy plait my hair, it kind of roll up because mommy plait on a wrong side, I call that. So me the plait back the two front one them on right side. Me have that correct, but yeah. So me not really straight, and then through me always catch it. Whilst me soon ask, me answer all of the questions them. For my face, me use turmeric soap, and then sometimes me rinse with water alone, and then as me say, put on the coconut oil, and every time I remember to do that. Sometimes we just leave it like that and go on my bed. But when me use the AC, me always try to remember to put on the coconut oil on my face because AC can really dry out your skin. So me not only use it on my face, sometimes me use it on my foot, plus me use Cetaphil. Me use Cetaphil for lotion my body as well. So you know, me not always use like me take turns with them. Well, boil Cersei tea. Cersei. Guys, when not gonna drink a cup of Cersei. What name? Cersei?
Cersei.
Cersei. Mommy say Cersei. So Joe, when I think I draw, you make it draw.
Can't dry anything.
When not gonna
boil me and boil it, make it.
guys, put me a bit. Anyways, guys, it's full. Joe will have more though.
Yeah.
Boy! Hey, who for scan Danny? $1,000.
Don't
Who
go
for
down
study $1,000? Yeah.
What?
Ready? Mark, set, go. Me never tell her when you're getting money.
What a scam.
I beg you. Can't do it, mommy, bitter.
No bitter.
It's supposed to be bitter. It's not bitter as good.
Weak man.
But you have done for a long time.
Where is it?
Oh my god.
Oh, I like them. Nothing says thing.
That nice, Joel?
You know this bad.
You want to try?
Drink out, give me some.
I just.
This is better than this, you know?
Sticky.
No,
You don't want no more?
No.
No, drink come out because you don't drink half yet.
Alright, may I drink?
You know, drink bitter with it, chatting.
Alright, guys, may I do
We
this
gonna
spoon
do.
now? May I do this spoon now?
But was the one 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
So what's
Okay.
Okay.
You know bitter. Chatting, no bitter. No bitter.
Thanks, Mia.
Remember,
I love you. Alright, thanks. You stop now.
It's not plus
Thanks. She loving you, see? At least me drink 2 mouthful.
Thank you. Real.
Guys, mommy lighting bad here. Me not tell no lie.
Too dull and too bright.
Yeah, it lighting not really so 100. Guys, Mega turned 25. Can you believe it? Guys, you know the Joel my favorite cousin me ever tell you now?
As usual.
Yeah, I be. Me and cousin you know. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. Bye guys.